de or tochuu ni is meaning that on the way or in the middle of dot or something. That means some situation happen in the middle of the complete situation. In here, you see in here, when you use the grammar of tochuu de or tochuu ni, you can use the verb and the noun as you see here. For the verb, you should use with the change the verb to be the dictionary form, and the noun you should, after the noun, you should follow by no, and then you can follow by tochuu de or tochuu ni, just depend to the situation. So you can use the verb and the noun with tochuu de or tochuu ni. It just has the same meaning. And when they use tochuu de or tochuu ni, they use when some situation or some case that happen in the middle of the complete situation. You see here they say on the way, right, or in the middle of dot or something. So now let's see some sample together. 私は駅から学校に行く途中で先生に会った。私は駅から学校に行く途中で先生に会った。Which means that I saw my teacher on the way to school from the station. I saw my teacher on the way to school from the station. In this sentence, you see that they use the verb, right? In here, our verb is iku. Iku is meaning go, right? Iku, and after that, it use tochuu de. That means you use the verb iku is in the dictionary form and followed by tochuu de. And you see that what happened why they use tochuu. In here they say 私は駅から学校へ行く途中で先生に会った。Which means that this situation happened when you go to school, but on the way, in the middle of the way to the school, you met your teacher, or you saw your teacher, right? So this situation happened on the way you go to school, not in school or not from your house. So they will use tochuu in the case like this. The next, 彼は帰宅途中で事故があった。彼は帰宅途中で事故があった。Which means that he had an accident on his way home. He had an accident on his way home. In this sentence, they use 帰宅途中で. In here, you see that they use the noun, right? In how noun in here is mean 帰宅. Kitaku is mean come back home, but it is the noun. So sorry, it's not the noun, right? It's the verb, but in here kitaku is mean come back home, and after that they follow by tochuu de. Kitaku tochuu de is mean that when you come back home, right? And some accident happen. So in Japanese you can say 彼は帰宅途中で事故があった。Next example, 学校に来る途中で財布を忘れたのは気づいた。学校に来る途中で財布を忘れたのは気づいた。Which means that I noticed that I forgot my wallet on my way to school. I noticed that I forgot my wallet on my way to school. In here we see that they say Gakko ni kuru tochuu de. You see that they use the verb. In here, the verb out here is kuru. Kuru is mean come. That means now you are in the school. Kuru tochuu, which means that on the way to the school, right? Saifu o wasureta no wa kizuita, which means that forgot my wallet on the way to the school. That means the situation that happened when it's not the school or it's not your house, but when you on the way to the school, right? And in the case like that, you feel that you forgot your wallet at home. So the situation like this, you can say kuru tochuu de, right? The next example, 勉強の途中でお菓子を食べた。勉強の途中でお菓子を食べた。Which means that I ate some sweets in the middle of when I was studying. I ate some sweets in the middle of when I was studying. In here you see that they use the noun. In a noun in here is 勉強. After the noun they use no, right? And after the no they follow by tochuu, which means they use the noun in here is 勉強. 勉強の途中, this means if you study 1 hour, that means about 30 minutes, right? Or 20 minutes in the time that you eat the sweet. That means you study and you eat the sweet on the way that you study. So in Japanese you can say 勉強の途中でお菓子を食べた, which means that you eat the sweet in the middle of when you first studying. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of tochuu de. It's very easy. You can use tochuu, which means some situation that happen in the way to